Assalamu alaikum friends. My name is Benjamin Ahmed and today I'm showing you how to design minimal logo with an image. So if you are new on my YouTube channel, so don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for latest logo tutorials. Now start. I'm using bare picture for logo. I download it from Google. Now make a shape with pen tool. Now shape is done. Now make a shape of leg. Now make a front leg shape. Now make a bottom shape with pen tool. Align and merge both files. Put it on background and color it. Put text in it. I'm using Illustrator font, Coca Goose font and Mermaid Swash Caps bold font. Link in description. Here you go and download it. Now align it with background. Now logo is done. So friends, if you like a tutorial, so Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe my channel for latest logo tutorials. See you in next video. Allah Hafiz.